Quadrum Compact 210S, the fully automatic rotational laser for ultimate precision. Together with the Sensolite 210 laser receiver, it delivers accurate measurement results, even over long distances. Ideal for precise horizontal alignment. The highly practical single-button operation allows for comfortable and intuitive use. Its robust, waterproof housing with high grip ensures maximum durability and reliable performance under all conditions. Two powerful high-capacity packs with lithium-ion technology provide an exceptionally long operating life for uninterrupted work. Thanks to the 5-inch thread, the Quadrum Compact 210S is also suitable for precise vertical alignment tasks. The additional top and bottom Plumb laser provides a reliable reference for accurate height transmission. All functions can be conveniently controlled via remote control from a distance of up to 40 meters. With the motorized tilt function, slopes of up to 4 inches can be easily aligned, while larger inclines can be adjusted manually. The Sensor Automatic enables time-saving, fully automatic alignment for maximum efficiency on the construction site. The Sensolite 210 laser receiver allows for a range of up to 200 meters, ideal for precise work over long distances. The ADS tilt function increases measurement reliability by automatically shutting off the laser in case of vibrations or slow changes in the tripod position. Quadrum Compact 210S, precision and reliability for professional applications.